Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we're going to revisit a product that we found last year, and that was the clip for basically using on a bottle. So this is from a company called Bloom in a Box, and it allows you to create an arrangement on a bottle. So maybe as a gift item or for a table arrangement, the choice is yours. But really, it's such a simple product and it works so well. So I've managed to find an unopened bottle of champagne. This is not going to last, but at the moment it can get decorated with flowers. And all we've done is add our clip. Now, in our previous video, we had it raised up. This one, I want to have it low down. And I really want to create an arrangement that is quite simple. So we're just going to add one or two little leaves first. So we really like this product. It's really very simple, very easy, and yet it's so effective. You don't need a lot of material. So we're going to just add one or two little salal leaves and then a little bit of French ruskus. And I've got a little bit of eucalyptus as well. So really this foliage is just to hide our container a little bit and just to cover that edge. So we don't need a lot of material at all. We can just keep it quite simple and quite minimal. So this first foliage, or this bit of foliage, is really just going in there and helping cover those edges. And now we can look and see what we want to do. I've also got some beargrass as well. So this is quite an interesting thing. What we can do with that is we can create interesting loops. Now, I picked the ones that were nice and big and strong, so that definitely makes it easier. And you've already got a bit of a natural bend on your beargrass. So straight away we can create something that's a little bit more enclosed and actually capturing the bottle, which is interesting as well. So for our flowers, I've got these lovely little orchids and we've got some nice little white roses, and I think this is just so sweet. So we're going to just put that in and really create like a little cluster with our roses. And we'll bring one round here. And we can add our orchid. So we didn't need a lot of flowers here at all. But I do want to just bring an orchid up a little bit higher. And it's as simple as that. We don't need a lot of flowers, so we've got 3 roses, just a few orchids, little touch of foliage, and just that detail of the beargrass to capture the bottle before I drink it. So I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. If you've not seen this product before, then you can buy them online, so just have a wee look. Bloom in the Box was the place that we got them. And thank you for watching. Click here to subscribe. Keep up to date with all our videos.